Hi everyone, it's Marky. Today I just wanted to talk about these BIC pens. These come in a 240 count, so there is a ton of them, as you can see, and they do come in black and blue, so you do have a little variety. They have the little lid right here that does have the little snap, so you can hook it onto your shirt or your notebook, whatever you need. It is a ballpoint pen, if it'll focus at all. And it's a really smooth to write with. The ball is made of tungsten, so it comes out really clean. It doesn't smear, and they last for a really long time. They're also really durable. My kids are constantly using them and they are rough on everything, and they haven't broken the ballpoint. They haven't snapped them at all and had ink everywhere. They're actually really durable. Because you get so many in this box, I think it would be perfect for like an office setting or a school, something like that. Just great pens. They work really well. They last for a really long time. You're not having to constantly replace them. So if you are looking for some new pens and you need a lot of them, I would highly recommend you look into these. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.